Hey everyone, it's Ryan here from Colourlock, and today we've got this beautiful 6 Series BMW that's come in for a bit of work. It's got obviously the usual bolster damage, but it also has some other type of damage on the passenger seat. So let me show you what we've got. All right, so if you look in here, you can see there's a bit of paint that's rubbed off. So this customer's just purchased this car second-hand, and it looks like it's had some work done to it, and within the first week of him having the car, it's starting to show these areas where the paint's lifting off. So there could be a few reasons for it. One could be the obvious one where the work wasn't done correctly, but I think, or I suspect, that this is likely due to the customers started using the seat before the paint's set. So some of the paint's just lifted off. So we're fixing the bolster, and we're going to be fixing this as well. Join in for more fun. Right, so in this video we're only going to focus on the passenger seat, which has the biggest damage, and to repair that particular damage we're going to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1 is the prep process, where we're going to clean the seat and degrease it. We're then going to mix the paint to make sure we have an exact color match and fill some cracks, and finally we're going to spray primer, followed by the paint layer, and then 2 coats of the clear coat. So let's get into it. Right, so step 1 is the prep stage. And even though everyone knows that good systematic surface preparation is crucial to a great looking and long lasting repair, not everyone follows it always. There is a tendency to skim through the stage. So let me cover that in a little more depth here, and take my advice, spend a lot of time making sure that you get your prep right. Now, in order to start, grab a good leather cleaner and a brush and ensure you clean the surface very well. Make sure you remove all the dirt that is stuck in the grain. In this case, because we were going to respray the whole base, we opted for a slightly stronger cleaner, which is the Colourlock Strong Leather Cleaner, and the brush. Now, just like dirt, grease and oil also prevent the paint from bonding to the surface. We use the Colourlock Solvent Cleaner to thoroughly remove all grease from the surface. If you want to be sure there's no grease on the surface, run a quick test. Try sticking a piece of masking tape on the surface. If it's greasy, the tape will not stick. Now, onto the repair. There was some minor cracking on the bolsters, so we used Colourlock leather filler and tinted it with some of the perfectly color matched paint, applied it to the affected areas, and allowed it to dry. With the filling work now complete, we moved on to the finishing stage. First, we sprayed Colourlock primer, which is an adhesion promoter. Then, we sprayed a few layers of our leather paint. You will see we always spray thin layers of paint and dry each layer before putting the next one. Not only does this give a better looking finish, but it ensures each layer bonds very well, making the repair more durable. Lastly, we sprayed 2 layers of clear coat. We have 2 types of clear coat, a matte version and a gloss one. In most cases, we mix the 2 to achieve the right level of shine on the surface. We also add a hardener to this mixture, which makes the whole repair more durable. Now, as you can see, the damage is unnoticeable. It's hard to tell in the video, but I have to say it looks equally impressive as I stand right next to it, and I have to look very, very hard to tell where the damage was. I'm really impressed with what we achieved here. I hope you liked this quick video. We'll be back soon with some more exciting stuff. We've got some SLS seats with contrast stitching that's coming in for a repair. We've got a crocodile leather handbag that needs a touch up, and the full interior of a late 1960s Bentley T Coupe that needs a good bit of work doing. In the meanwhile, please make sure you like and share this video and subscribe to our channel so you can catch up on all our work. Lots of love to all of you. This is Ram from Colourlock signing out. Bye bye.